How to turn your hobby into a $10,000 month side hustle without quitting your day job. Imagine a life where you can work from anywhere in the world, on your own time, and have more freedom to pursue your passions. With these income stream ideas, this dream can become a reality. It's not easy, but with enough dedication, passion, and hard work, you could make a monthly income of $10,000 or more by starting your own business. Flex biceps. Webinar. Turn your business into a money-making machine. Unlock the secrets to transforming your business from a job into a profitable, cash-generating machine. Asterisk, the monthly revenue varies wildly for most side hustles because the amount of time you put into your business will drastically affect your earning potential. The best ways to make $10,000 a month in 2024 money with wings. Whether you just want to make some extra cash on the side or if you're looking to quit your career and make good money, these 10 side hustles and ideas to make $10,000 a month have you covered. We'll talk about several different methods with different levels of difficulty, startup costs, and time commitments. Hourglass done. After reviewing the startup costs and potential monthly revenues in the chart above, compare the startup difficulty, time, and overall time commitment for each of the ideas below. The amount of money you could make with each side hustle varies, depending on how much time and effort you put into your own business. Moneybit. Number 1. Sell private label rights to products. You can buy private label rights (PLR) to different products for inexpensive costs, which gives you the ability to edit these products and sell them yourself. PR products include audio, blog posts, and ebooks. Mainly, these products consist of online content. Laptop computer. A PLR agreement benefits both the original seller of the product, as they make money off of selling the original product, as well as the buyer of the PLR, who makes money off of selling slightly edited versions of the product. It's a win-win. Raising hands. Hammer and wrench startup difficulty, easy. Stopwatch startup time, short. Tear-off calendar overall time commitment, low. Getting started with selling PLR products is pretty easy. Your main startup costs will come from the initial purchase price of the products, setting up an e-commerce website to resell the products, and any marketing costs to get your product on the market. It's like flipping houses, but easier and online. Hammer. Once you've flipped the PLR products and put them on for sale, you'll be able to make passive income. The more products you have available, the more you can make, but the day-to-day time commitment is fairly low. You'll just need to maintain your website and marketing. Mobile phone with arrow. Light bulb looking for more entrepreneurship tips? Check out our full guide to the best books for entrepreneurs here. Number 2. Start a dropshipping online business. You've probably heard the term dropshipping before, but what exactly is it? Dropshipping is essentially choosing products to sell yourself, but allowing a third party to handle the logistics, such as warehousing and shipping. Package. Your small business won't keep the products it sells in stock. Rather, you'll partner with producers to sell your products. Your main task is to handle the marketing and customer-facing end of the product buying process. Mobile phone. Hammer and wrench startup difficulty, easy. Stopwatch startup time, short. Tear-off calendar overall time commitment, low. You can get started with dropshipping with companies such as Shopify, which allows you to build an e-commerce store. You'll want to have a good social media platform and marketing skills to sell your products. Label. When dropshipping, choosing high-quality products and maintaining excellent customer relations is how the money gets made. The time commitment is overall low, so you won't need to go full-time unless you want to. Webinar. Turn your business into a money-making machine. Unlock the secrets to transforming your business from a job into a profitable, cash-generating machine. Register now. Number 3. Start a blog and leverage ad income. Do you have writing skills or something you've always wanted to talk about? Starting a blog can be a great way to make money on the side. You can write about pretty much anything on a blog, and the startup costs are low. Plus, you can write your blog from anywhere, so this is a great business idea for aspiring digital nomads. Money from blog writing primarily comes from advertisements on your blog, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Having a healthy balance of these can bring in thousands of dollars a month depending on your business model. Eventually, you could even start a podcast or YouTube channel to generate additional attention to your blog. Hammer and wrench startup difficulty, easy. Stopwatch startup time, short. Tear off calendar overall time commitment, medium. Becoming a blogger is fairly easy. You can start blogging with your own website and domain name for fairly little money. Most costs will come from joining an affiliate program and paying for any digital marketing or web design to make your blog more popular. It's recommended to choose a niche that you're passionate about or an expert in for your blog. Study competitors and your audience closely. Learning skills like good copywriting and search engine optimization, SEO, can help expand your blog's reach with quality content. Writing hand. Number 4. Freelance your skills. In the new digital age, advertising your skills has never been easier. If you've got a hobby, passion, or skill that you've perfected, or come close to perfecting, you can freelance your skills. Examples of freelancers include freelance writers, graphic designers, and social media managers. You could even start a creative agency by bringing together multiple different types of freelancers under one roof. Busts in silhouette. Even if you don't think your skills are marketable, there are so many platforms perfect for beginners. Examples of freelancing platforms include Fiverr and Upwork, where you can post your services for free to your local area or even worldwide. Hammer and wrench startup difficulty, easy. Stopwatch startup time, short. Tear off calendar overall time commitment, high. From fiction writing to graphic design, your skills are likely in need somewhere. While you can work part-time with freelancing, the money really comes from working additional hours. Luckily, a freelancing career is incredibly customizable in terms of what clients you take on and how many hours you work. Number 5. Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. Amazon offers Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, which is a service that allows you to outsource order fulfillment to Amazon's warehouses. This helps eliminate logistics and gives you tools such as 2-day free Prime shipping and customer service for your products. Package. Keep in mind that you will need to have products to sell to use FBA. However, if you've already got a way to make or source products, FBA is a great way to streamline selling. Amazon also has helpful step-by-step resources for starting your FBA business. Hammer and wrench startup difficulty, easy. Stopwatch startup time, medium. Tear off calendar overall time commitment, medium. FBA is perfect for entrepreneurs who already have products to sell. With its incredible popularity, Amazon has plenty of tools to get your products to customers quickly and handle any unhappy customers. Webinar. Turn your business into a money-making machine. Unlock the secrets to transforming your business from a job into a profitable, cash-generating machine. Register now. Number 6. Flip vintage apparel, furniture, and decor. Vintage items are making a comeback, and you can capitalize on this trend. Shopping at thrift stores, finding items for free,